Hello everyone, my name is Ting and I'm from Group 6 and today my topic is about digital marketing, the driving web traffic. So last session we have some knowledge about some creative stuff like advertising, right? Yeah, but imagine you have a very cool advertising stuff and now what? Advertising doesn't sell. An ad doesn't give you the space of selling products like cashier or products or some kind of selling environment, right? But a website do. And like Jack said, if you don't sell anything on internet, don't sell anything at all. So driving the traffic to the website is something very important because it's like the first stage of every selling book. You have to make your customer into the store. So today is about that important part, driving website traffic. And let's first find out something about the web traffic. What is the web traffic? The web traffic is the visit to the website. You may say that it's a click. Every click to the website is counted as the traffic.
Speaking of traffic, there's some analysis that any web marketer should take notice of.
The click-through rate figure is the percentage of people who click on your link. The timer site is about the average amount of time visitors spend on the website. The page view per session is the average number of pages a visitor see per visit. A return visit is the percentage of returning visitors for a given time period. Actions were taken is the percentage of visitors who took action, like comment, they buy products, something like that. The bounce rate is about the percentage of visitors who left the website after viewing only one page. That is the figure that tells you that your click is quality or not, because if they left after viewing one page,
your website is boring.
So to find out what will increase the web traffic, we first know where is the traffic come from.
I have some research that show what sources will bring the traffic, and from that, we'll make some analysis that maximize those sources. The first type of traffic is the organic search traffic, with a very familiar term of search engine optimization. Search engines like Google or Yahoo search will show a list of results, and every click into the non-paid result will be counted as the organic search traffic. The popularity of Google has outspoken why it stands the number one important in all types of traffic. The second type is the paid search result. It's very similar to the first type because we use the search engines like Google or Yahoo also. But because the result is paid, so it's there in the first or the second line of the list. The third type is the social media traffic, which is every click from the link to web embedded to social media posts like Facebook or Twitter. There are usually two smaller types in this traffic. The first will be the posts that contain text and materials like photo and videos and the link. The second type contain only text and the link. The preview image is the only visual, but when you click on the image, you will be automatically dragged to the website. The fourth type is the display traffic, which is the display advertising on websites like banner advertising or contextual ads. The fifth type is the referral traffic, which is the traffic that comes from the click from the link on the referral website, which is not your website, and the result from the search engine list. The sixth type is the email traffic, that is the visit from email marketing effort. And last but not least is the direct traffic. Direct traffic to the website by typing its address on the browser.
So we have known about the sources of the traffic. Let's find out the questions of what will increase the web traffic. Yes, some people may say that web traffic is the playground for mastering the web tools. It's right, but not exactly, because anyone can imitate how you can master the tool. Some may say that mastering the traffic of the web is about money. Well, the question is how much money is enough. Let's reviewing back to the sources so that we can make it clear that what is the most important.
Now, the first two types of traffic, the organic search, SEO, or the paid search, the SEM, are the sources that people use for information searching. While on the other type, like social media or display traffic, they are the environment that people are usually impressed by story that inspire them, story that are interesting or impressive.
So we have to consider the link of the first thing and the second thing, right? The SEO and others. And I have come up to one conclusion.
What urged those two behavior in the sources of traffic is content marketing. Let's say in any man's campaign, what makes a man's campaign different is the man. Because only the man, not the machine, can create content. Content is the information that people search for. Content is the story that inspires them to go to the website. Content is like the creativity part of the marketing. And because content is creative, so the first requirement for maximizing the content marketing is to be properly creative. In other words, to be user friendly, urging the customer to go to your website at the first sight. There's some criteria for that. Is to write about the problem that customer aware and you have solution for it. There's something to be noticed of. First, you have to define your customer avatar, which is included in the customer point of view about the problem, the demographic information, the source of information that the customer use, the role in the purchase process. You also have to define the keyword, and if the customer is not defined in the area of the avatar, so educate them to be in. You have to make them think that this is just like they're not just recognizing the problem yet. You will be the one that directs them about the problem, and they believe that, oh, I do have a problem. The second criteria is about writer content that makes you different and more beneficial than other thousands of results in the search engine list. Last but not least, content marketing is not just about text or tagline, so be sure you have some cool visual stuff with you. Now you made something creative, but what if the tool doesn't agree with that? What will happen? They will let no one see your content. So the second requirement for the content marketing to be tool friendly, because the SEO is the most important traffic source and also most difficult to implement. So I will mainly focus on content marketing of SEO. Title tags. The title tag must include and put important keywords first. Keyword titles are the 65 characters in length. So in short, your title must be short, impressive, straight focus, and unique title. Criteria. Meta description. Description is the description that stands below the website address of the results list of the search engine. The meta description must keep the length under 300 characters. So in general, they must be short, easy to understand, and informative enough. Way that can define how much friendly your content is to the tool. Search.eu will rank seoptimer.com is some system that you can count on to define how much point your content is to the SEO requirements.
So to illustrate about the content marketing example, I have a case study about the Airbnb campaign we accept.
That runs when Trump promoted his campaign "Make America Great Again" for the president vote, and this is the social media-based traffic with the keyword "we accept." So, where's the role of the content marketing? This campaign happened when Trump's quote "Make America Great Again" somehow insult people from many parts of the world, and Airbnb creates we accept to please the need of being recognized by um, a lot of people. They share the post just like a way to raise their voice to create a better life. And traffic doesn't just come from the social media posts like Facebook or Twitter, although it's very impressive as well. With Facebook, there's 19 million view times and share with over 100,000 times. With Twitter, over 33,000 tweets during the first half of the game. But also, we accept become a very popular keyword and was searched from search engines like Google or YouTube, with the results of 13% increase in site visitors. US and Canada and the week following the Super Bowl and 7.2% increase in the site visitors. US and Canada in the month following the Super Bowl. So we accept creates the story that inspire people to share them and make this a very popular keyword that drives a lot of traffic to the Airbnb website. So in general, a successful content marketing strategy will mostly contribute to the success of the web traffic strategy. And that is all I desire to say in my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
This campaign is based on a hot topic. Trump's campaign for the president voting, we make American great again. Trump's quote like lessen the influence of the Black American or the Mexican or the Asia or some kind of racism. And Airbnb make very good use of it by using the social media base to drive the web traffic. The keyword we accept, hashtag we accept, was enormously searched for. Let's have some figure about the result. For the Twitter, over 33,000 tweets during the first half of the game were tweeted. For Facebook, they are viewed by 90 million times and share of over 100,000 times. For the web traffic, 30% increase in site visitors, US and Canada, and a week before the Super Bowl. 7.2% increase in site web visitors, US and Canada, in a month following the Super Bowl. So it shows some good results, right? So the key focus of this campaign is that they bring a very good message. We accept racism is a very hot topic in all time. So we accept show the message that they will be the friend to all people. Airbnb is like the room solution, the room rent solution for our customer. So their customer is from all around the world. We accept share the same common with the story and the story of our customer. So in general, what makes a successful campaign is the successful content marketing strategy, and what makes the most successful driving traffic to the web is the most successful strategy of content marketing. And this is also the end of my part. Thank you for listening to me.